Now we have McLaren here, but that's not so interesting because not electric. Sports car. If you're into this, nice color with the light blue. Oh, Turkish again. Oh, let's go to Polestar. Look at the Polestar 2. That is a good-looking car. Underneath. That looks nice. It's not as tall as you might think. I don't think it will be that wind resistant. Looks great. Let's check this out. So here we have the Polestar 2, 300 kilowatt all-wheel drive motor, 75 kilowatt hour battery. I'm always reading this off because I can't remember. 660 newton meters of torque, 500 kilometer range. They want to achieve. It's not tested yet. 4.07, or maybe it was 4.7. Maybe I wrote it wrong. From 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. 11 kilowatt AC charging and 150 kilowatt DC charging. Let's look at it. Nice wheels. And what's great about this car is the screen that it works. It has Android working on there, and it's just awesome. So apps. Apps and other stuff is just work. Warum nicht? Ooh, that's cute. Airbags. That take a lot of space though. Oh, it's the guy that takes 2 hours. Nice screens. Nice roof. Let's go inside.
Nee, also Sie bezahlen 1.000 Euro und dann können Sie so sagen, wenn der die Auto produziert, ich will die Auto leasen und dann können Sie das machen. Ja, und dann die 1.000 Euro, das Sie haben bezahlt, dann können dann Ihren also Company oder so, also Refund. Ja, also ist ganz einfach. Nicht schwer.
Yeah, it's a long walk. From the entrance, where right away at the entrance is Mercedes and then the whole Volkswagen group. But then to get to other cars, I want to go to Hyundai now, Opel, Renault, check out these cars and the chassis checker. That's far long. So long walk. And it's not so easy to find. There we have F11. Have to go there, and then 8 and 11. Check it out. Let's check out Byton and Honda. Come here. Let's see if I can find a Honda E. And that would be interesting. Oh, there it is. You can see it. Honda E. Hey, I found it. Let's go here. Check it out. Honda E. always have to read off. I know, can't remember anything. 100 kilowatt motor, 200 kilometers WLTP range, 35.5 kilowatt hour battery, 8 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers, 150 kilometers per hour is the top speed. Rear wheel drive, 11 kilowatt AC charging, 50 kilowatt DC charging. Just look at it. Looks very toyish. They really like to do something here. 50 already. Stupid. What's the size? The size is okay. Isn't there another one? There should be another one. The truck is something different. But it's very high on a tiny little trunk. Ooh, the window's open with the weird button. Not a lot of space in there. Oh, it's a tiny car. Ooh, yeah, the thing with the no side view mirrors, the cameras. You see? Yes. Oh, nice screens though. Very nice screen. Seems like it's very close to the... Let's sit in there and look.
Spiegel sind auch als Display hier. Kamera, ja. Was die da. Aber die Kamera.
Nicely done.
Die Kameradisplays, die sind nicht so gut.
Da brauchst du eine Honda-Brille. Da Menschen sind.
That's amazing. Totally amazing. There's a guy in there with a suit, and all he does the whole day is sit on the passenger seat and presses on the button, so stuff happens in the car, so the people don't touch stuff themselves or whatever, but that's what he does. It doesn't say a word and he's not happy. Oh God, amazing. Go to Byton. There'll be a car at Byton somewhere. Yeah, this one. Where is it? There it is, M-Byte. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Yeah, that light thingy. Look at this. Huh. Very interesting car. Chinese car. Something different. I wrote them once if I can test drive a car, but they didn't reply. It's not ugly, it's not amazing, it does its job. I mean, the screens in there are a bit overkill. I mean, the whole thing is a screen. Look, the whole thing is a screen. I zoom in. Look at it. It's all screen there in the front. Do you want that? If you want that, then this is your car.